Okay, I hope everybody can see this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start demoing. So right here, what we have is just basically a remote connection to my Android device here on my desktop. So we're gonna pretend like we're acting as my phone device is in my hand. I've received my my store, my retail location in Cash Register Express has a copy credential set up. So here's all the background requirements. I'm on the correct version. I'm connected to the copy. So I'm ready to proceed. And then inside Salesforce, order fulfillment already flagged me for mobile inventory, and my registration code is already set for pocket inventory. So I have met all the pre-requirements. Now, and also I've set this user up as one of the employees for this email address. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. And again, you can see from here that you have this functionality. I'm gonna do a reload of data, which means I'm going to refresh and pull down the most recent database information from Cash Register Express just so we can start fresh here. All right, and then from there, again, you can look up items. I can filter through departments based on whatever departments I have. So it's only going to show me my items. I have the ability to show the details of items that I look up. I can edit those items, so that would be similar to Pocket Inventory's edit functionality. You have the same thing here. We've added more functionality within here, so now we have all the tax check ID 1 and 2. So again, this will fold back over to CRE when you send pending changes. If you were going to make a change, so maybe I want to make a change in here. Let's go ahead and uncheck tax 1, and then I'm going to save. I'm going to scan a barcode. Again, this brings up the barcode on my device. I'm just going to scan item I have. Okay, now again, this is saying that the item is not found, so it's not inside Cash Register Express database. So let's go ahead and add it. I'm just going to call it iced tea. Let's do a price of $3. Cost is $1.50. Let's do in stock. Let's do we received in 50. So again, just a brand new item wasn't found. Let's go ahead and add it quickly. You can see underneath pending changes that I have my edit that I did and my new item. So that's just some of the functionality. Let's go ahead and go into purchase orders real quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and create that purchase order. Obviously, a vendor is required. So these vendors, again, would be created within Cash Register Express and tied to your items, similar to Pocket Inventory. You can create a reference number. Shipping, let's say via FedEx. Then we'll go ahead and click on add items. Again, you can scan barcode or look up items. So you're going to see that functionality throughout. Again, if you know quickly by looking up, you can look that item up. You also have the ability to do by eaches and by cases. So we'll do by eaches, and then we're going to order quantity. Let's say we're adding 50 again. So we're going to create that PO. So underneath pending changes, again, these are where you'll see all the changes that you've made. So we made 3 changes so far. We did a purchase order, we did a count, and then we did an edit. So the edit, I'm going to go ahead and basically swipe left. You'll see that the delete comes up, so I can go ahead and delete that. So any changes that you do not want to go over can be deleted right from this screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. And then we're gonna go ahead and send those to the POS, that the changes that we made. It's gonna confirm those, that do you wanna send those changes? And then we have data successfully changed. Again, for this